If your wellness routine feels like a chore, you're missing out on ACAI plus Elite Magic. Meet Sarah. Just a year ago, she struggled with fatigue and joint pain. Her energy was low and her zest for life had faded. Then Sarah discovered ACAI plus Elite. Packed with natural ingredients, ACAI plus Elite isn't just a health drink, it's a catalyst for change. Sarah started feeling more energetic, her joints felt better, and she found herself enjoying life again. She was more present for her family, more focused at work, and had the vitality to pursue her passions. And Sarah's story isn't unique. Thousands have experienced the rejuvenating effects of ACAI plus Elite. It's designed to support immune health, reduce inflammation, and boost cognitive function. With ACAI plus Elite, you're not just drinking a supplement, you're embracing a holistic approach to wellness. So why wait? Join Sarah and countless others in transforming your life with ACAI plus Elite. It's more than a health drink, it's your path to lasting vitality. Visit acaiplus.com and start your journey today.